Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my TJ Maxx video. I have honestly no idea what day this video is going up. Usually I upload on Sundays, but I am on a trip this weekend in LA, so I don't know if I'll be able to, depending on the internet at my hotel. But I usually always upload on Sundays, so make sure you subscribe if you are new to see what is new at TJ Maxx every week. I do see that most of the stores get the same things, so usually if I can find them at my stores, you can usually find them at yours, but it does take a lot of time and dedication going to your stores to find things because of course everyone's wanting to find these products, so some of the stores only get a few of each. But anyways, I filmed a little bit this week before I leave on my trip, and I might try to film some down there. I don't know, so I don't really know what we're gonna get here, but I did find a couple good things so far, which I'm excited to show you guys. Nothing too crazy, not like a ton, but the things we found I feel like were pretty exciting. So anyways, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. My LA vlog should be up very soon as well. I'm really excited about that, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, we are here at TJ Maxx on a Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day, and it looks like heaven so far. There are so many good things. Well, at least in my opinion. There's a lot of restocks too, but a couple good things. We have this from Kat Von D, the Alchemist Holographic Palette. I've been looking for this. I've seen some people finding it, and I think I'm definitely going to pick this up. It is going for $9.99, and you get 3 different highlighters in here. Love the packaging on these, so pretty. Thank you. And then, oh, I guess you get more than 3. It's 4 highlighters in here, which are all kind of like duochrome shades. So you have the green emerald, blue sapphire, ultraviolet amethyst, and then pink opal. And I feel like these are the perfect size in my opinion. They're a little bit smaller, but yeah, this is so cute. And I never picked this up when it came out. I always wanted it, so cool to find this here. They also have one of these Bareminerals Complexion Rescue foundations, which I think we've seen one of them a long time ago. This one is in the shade Ginger. It's going for $12.99. This is kind of like a tinted moisturizer. And then they actually have a ton more shades in the Marc Jacobs foundation, so I think I'm definitely going to pick one up. We have Light R230, which I think that might work for me. Tan R460 for $12.99. And then Tan $470. So I was going to buy this foundation, but the last ones we saw, they expired like November 2020, and this one expires in February. So now I'm like, that's like 6 months. So I guess I'm gonna pass on this. I have another one of these color palettes in Obsessed 2, which kind of looks like, I can't tell if this would look like the Smoky Obsessions or like the rose gold one. I don't know, it's kind of like a mixture of both, but it doesn't have like the silver in it that the smoky one does. But once again, these are $2.99. They have this Guerlain gloss. It's the Gloss Denfer, I think. It's an electric pink. It's going for $16.99. They just had one of those. And then they had a couple of these Bareminerals Frame and Define, which are brow little products, little brow pencils, and these are both in the shade Universal Dark, going for $3.99 each. Here's another one of those Bareminerals eyeshadow sticks. This one's in the shade Sunset Rose. This is going for $5.99. They have these as well in the mask section. This is from Glam Glow. It's their Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. You get 6 in here. They're little sheet masks that bubble up, and they're kind of fun to do on just like a fun night in. These are going for $24.99 for 6 masks. These super cute pink sugar sets as well that are pretty new, I think. It says the Pink Flamingo Limited Edition. This stuff smells so good. I'm sure you guys have smelled it before, but it's such a good perfume. It's like sugar and musk. It's delicious. So you get the Eau de Toilette 3.4 ounce and then a body lotion as well in here. And this is going for $24.99. We have some Ole Henriksen. I saw a few people find quite a bit of Ole Henriksen stuff lately. This is the only thing I've seen so far. It's the Moment of Truth 2-in-1 Polishing Sugar Mask. This is only $12.99, which is awesome. I have this from Ole Henriksen, the Clean Truth Foaming Cleanser. It looks like a small size. It's 1.7 ounces though. It looks like this is going for $6.99. So you guys, I think we might be seeing some more stuff from them come in soon, since so far I've just seen these couple of products, but it is exciting. I do enjoy their skincare. Here they have some of the Ole Henriksen makeup wipes. These are the So Nourishing cleansing cloths. They're going for $3.99, and it looks like you get 30 in here. It's pretty good for these. It's like the same price as the simple ones that I love. Okay, I'm very tempted by this. It looks really nice. It says Cocoa Cloud Whipped Shea Butter. Look at how amazing this looks. It looks like frosting, and it has vanilla, coconut milk, argan oil, white tea, and vitamin E in it. And it's just a shaving cream, and this is $12.99. Kind of expensive for this little jar, but it sounds heavenly, honestly. So TJ Maxx has these little mini Becca Primers. I think these are the same ones we saw at Marshall's before, but it is their Velvet Blurring Primer Mini. It is 0.5 fluid ounces, and this is going for $9.99, which is a little bit pricey. They have a ton too of the melteds from Too Faced. I've gone over these before, but since there's so many, I'll mention them again. These are all $5.99. They have melted strawberry, melted clover, fig, chihuahua, velvet, berry, chocolate milkshake, which these smell like chocolate and they are incredible. Sugar in the back. This one's chocolate honey, and I think that's all of them. So they have a ton of those. So Marshall's has another one of these Marc Jacobs bronze brushes, which we found, I think it was like a month ago. We found the one with a white handle, and this is a very expensive brush. It's like 70 bucks, and it's $14.99 here. I'm pretty sure I paid like $19 for mine. So this is an even better deal for this brush. Definitely recommend picking this up if you see it. It is the bronze brush from them. Marshall's also has now those NARS Jet Setter sets that are amazing with the creamy concealer in them. Seriously, such a good buy for $12.99, but I think it only comes in one shade, unfortunately, which is vanilla. They also have this Velveteen, which I don't think I've seen this shade. It's in Ka-Ching, and it's for $5.99. It's really pretty. It's like a rose gold. Oh, by the way, I got my nails done just now, so my nails changed from like a sparkly red to nude now. The different Real Technique sponges. This is the Miracle Sculpting Sponge from them. This is Dewy Highlight and Contour. This is $2.99. And then they also have this 2 Miracle Mini Eraser Sponges. So you get 2 in there. And this one is $2.99. And it says that you can use this for mascara flaking, shadow fallout, sweet boy makeup mishaps, stuff like that. So that is new from Real Techniques. It looks like they restocked on the Naked Ultimate Basics from Urban Decay. They have a ton of them here for $24.99, and a ton of the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palettes for $19.99. They also stocked up on these Becca kits, the Glow on the Go Shimmering Skin Perfector set. You get little minis in here in Opal for both of the shades, which is one of my favorites. This is going for $12.99. They also have it in the Moonstone one, which is going for $12.99 as well, originally $20. They have even more Zoella stuff. We saw a bunch last week, but they have this Body Pudding body cream. I'm super intrigued by this brand. Everything sounds like it smells amazing. Let's see, these are going for $4.99. And then this looks really fun back here. It looks like one of those box waters. It's called Drench, or Drench Me, I guess, Bubble Bath Soak for $5.99. These are so fun. I have this deliciousness. This is the Body Shop Banana Shower Cream. I've tried their lotion. It smells amazing. I really want this, but I do not need any more shower gel right now. It is $3.99. It's such a good price. If you guys like banana scents, you need this in your life though. This is really cool from Sigma. We found their baking and strobing brush set. I've always been dying to find more Sigma brushes here. I've only found one so far, which was like, what even was it? I think it was like a contour brush or something, but this is like a little set. I know you can't really see what's in here. I'll try to read it from the side, but you get a F06 powder sweep brush, a F42 strobing fan brush, the F79 concealer, a F89 big kabuki, and then a well, maybe that's a P89 big precision. I don't see a price here on this. Oh wait, here we go, $39.99, which you get a decent amount of product in here, and you guys know I love Sigma brushes, so I don't know, I kind of want to check this out and see if it's something that I'd be interested in. I did just like go through all my brushes, and I have a ton. So I have this little brush from Bareminerals. It's actually a masking brush, which is cool. It says Mask Essentials. So it is a uniquely angled mask smoothing brush to apply your face mask with, so you don't have to use your hands. And then I think it also comes with this little washcloth, so you can wash it off as well. So this is going for only $5.99, which is pretty cool. They also have this Sonic Blend brush from Michael Todd. I guess it like kind of moves for you. This is, it looks like it was originally $79. It is going for $34.99. Okay, now this I cannot believe is here. I remember when this came out on Sephora. It's a dry bar blow dryer. And if you guys can see this is all glitter. It is so beautiful. I always wanted this, but it's so expensive. So they have it here at TJ Maxx. It says limited edition on it. This thing is heavy. Let me see how much it's going for. Alright, $119, so still very pricey, and I don't blow dry my hair enough to justify the price, but oh, it is so pretty. Be on the lookout because we are finding some new dry bar stuff here at TJ Maxx, and this dryer is just stunning. So yeah, a little bit pricey, but I heard that these blow dryers are worth it. Looks like they have a ton of the Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye as well in the shades medium tan. This is going for $9.99. They also have tan, so I think just those two shades. So they also have this from Kat Von D in this fun little bag. It's a product I've never heard of before from her, but it's their Kat Von D Crushes. It says glitter gel for face and body in Tesoro Gold, and I don't know, you can't really tell the color from here, but obviously I don't want to open this, but this is going for $5.99, and it is a full-size product. I also saw this. This is from Bareminerals. This is the Lashtopia. I have not heard of this either. I haven't been keeping up very well with Bareminerals, so I need to like get on the game and see what new stuff they have. They did just send me their newest collection by the Bounce and Blur. But yeah, they have this mascara here, Lashtopia, for $5.99. It says Mega Volume Mineral Based Mascara. They've had a lot of random Baremineral stuff this week. Here's another product, the Nude Eyeshadow Primer in Undressed. This is $5.99. I don't know, they just have like one of each random thing. We found that brow pencil earlier this week too. Yeah, it's kind of weird. But usually sometimes when they get stuff in, they get like a bunch of them, but I don't know, for some reason they only have a couple of those. Here's something from Smashbox, the LA Lights Blendable Lip Cheek Color. We saw the highlighter, I think, last week. This one is a blush. This one is in the shade Beverly Hills Blush. I feel like the highlighter was called Beverly Hills already, or maybe it was LA or something. This is going for $9.99. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe we just found this, but I thought this week was going to be total crap, but it looks like I'm actually going to buy something this week because they have the Becca Be Light Medium to Deep Face Palette. I think this one will work. I know there's a light to medium as well, but people were finding this like months ago, and I was so upset because I could never find it. I don't know, my store never got Becca stuff in until way later. But yeah, we found one today, and I'm so excited about this. So I need to check it out though and make sure these shades will work. You get a brightening powder, a blush, a contour, and a blur powder for $16.99, which is pretty good. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's a little dark, but honestly, I think it'll be okay. Like this bronzer on the right looks perfect. And the blush looks really pretty too. I'm not sure I'm going to use the blur powder for, maybe to set, but I think this will work for when I have like my spray tan on. So yeah, I'm gonna get this. I think it's a good deal. Okay, this set is super cute from Glam Glow. You get a bunch of little minis in here. It looks like the biggest size is the Super Mud and the Glow Starter, but you get pretty much all their masks. The Flash Mud, Gravity Mud, Hydrating one, pretty much everything. And this is going for, it looks like $24.99, so cute little kit if you want to try out their masks. I feel like the sizes are okay. They might last you a while too since you're getting a bunch, but this is just a fun way you could try them all and see which ones you like. So I thought that was super cute. If you guys like these Coop and Daisy serums, they have a new one, the Boost Renewing Serum with retinol as well. This is going for $6.99. So I really want to get this oil from Carez, but I looked up this batch code online and it said it was made in 2016, but this expires in 6 months. So I'm like, that's kind of a long time. So I don't know, let me know, are those batch code things accurate online? I don't mind with makeup because it's like powder for the most part and it usually lasts longer, but with skincare I know the ingredients can go bad quicker. So let me know if you've tried that. This is why I'm iffy about the skincare. Anyways, moving on, I'm probably gonna buy this. It smells amazing. It is the scented bar soap from Commonwealth Soap Company in almond vanilla. It smells so good. It's $3.99. I love anything almond scented, so I think I'm gonna try this out. Just letting you guys know they are literally so stocked up on this mascara. That's the Better Than Love from Too Faced, but it's the same thing as the Better Than Sex, just different name. But yeah, they have a million of them. So many. If you guys need a refresher, let me show you guys how much it is. It is $12.99 for that one. I also have this Caress perfume, which I think I'm going to try it. It's really cheap. The top note is vanilla, which you guys know I love. I'm unsure about the other ones, but I think I'm going to try and see how it is. It's only $7.99, so might as well. So this week has been super slow at the stores, but I have been looking at this. I've been looking for this. I've seen some people finding it. I just saw this shade so far, but it's from Kat Von D Sur Brow Struck Dimension Powder. So just a little brow powder in medium brown. These are $5.99. So she always does have really pretty packaging. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's gorgeous. So I wanted to check this out, and it's like shimmery. What? That doesn't make sense to me. I feel like a matte, like a brow powder would be matte. I don't know, that's kind of odd. Stock this Marc Jacobs, the Smudge brush, which I love this one. I bought this one as well, and I love it for just like smudging some shadows underneath my lower lash line for smoky eyes. So yeah, they have this here, only $8.99. Definitely recommend picking up their brushes if you find them, because they're such good quality and it's so soft. Here's even more Marc Jacobs brushes. We have the shadow brush. I have this one as well. So Marshalls is definitely stocking up on these brushes. This is going for $8.99. It's just like an all over kind of lid shadow brush. And then I don't think I've seen this one yet, the conceal brush. So obviously for concealer, it's a nice shape there. This is going for only $8.99 as well. I saw this as well at Marshalls, only one shade though, but we found the Bushy Brow Gel last week, and they now have the Precision Pen as well. I've tried this one before, and it's actually pretty cool. You would think like using something with like a felt tip would be weird, but it actually turns out really nice, and it is actually pretty natural. So this one's just in the shade Redhead, and it is going for $4.99. Looks like they has the Sultry palette. I haven't seen this in a while, but I guess Marshalls just got it here. This is still going for $27.99. One of my favorite Anastasia palettes. It's another IGK hair product. I have not seen this one yet. This one is the Summertime Hair Lightening Spray, it says. Going for $7.99. It's supposed to use chamomile and lemon extract to just brighten your hair, I guess. I also have this as well. I haven't seen it's called Blocked. This is water resistant hair shield. What? This is $7.99. This says it acts as a swim cap for your hair, sealing the cuticle and protecting it from wind, water, sweat, and UV rays. It's inspired by waterproof mascara. That is crazy. They have some crazy products. Guys, I'm going to show you what I got now from TJ Maxx this week at my stores. I just set this up here because it's super early in the morning, so I'm just going to film like this. But I picked up that perfume from Caress, the Vanilla, Freesia, and Lychee. It was only $7.99. I just sprayed it now to test it out, and it actually smells exactly like something I own. I think it's the Lancome Livius Belle. That's really what this reminds me of, so if you like that, you would definitely like this. It's not super sweet. It has a lot of musks to it, but it's kind of like something I'd wear for evening, like kind of a dark fall winter scent with some musk and a little bit of sweetness is how I would describe it. But I feel like that was a pretty good deal. I don't know, but since I already have the other perfume, I feel like this is super similar. Also bought this, which smells amazing, this scented bar soap from Commonwealth Soap Company, and this is the almond vanilla made with oatmeal bits. It smells so good. This was $3.99. This is how big it is. It's a pretty big chunk. Also picked up the Kat Von D Alchemist, I think it is, Alchemist Holographic Palette, the Face and Eye Highlighter Palette this week. I saw this at so many stores, but you get 4 different highlighters in here, which are all kind of duochrome shades. I'll go ahead and swatch these. Okay, here is the swatches in that palette. Super pretty, very pigmented. These will be fun to play with, so I grabbed that. And then I grabbed the Becca Be a Light. This is the medium to deep face palette. I was so shocked to see this here. This is what the inside looks like. It's a pretty big palette. You get this like, let me go ahead and swatch and I'll show you guys. But this is supposed to be like an all over powder. Ooh, I don't know you guys. This is the swatches in that palette. Everything's a little bit dark. I feel like I do need the fair shade, but I don't know. I feel like that blush, maybe with a light hand, it could be okay. The bronzers would work, I think. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if they have the fair one yet at TJ Maxx. You guys should let me know, but I did find that medium one and I wanted to grab it. So that's everything I got this week at TJ Maxx. For now, I'm also going to see what the stores in LA have. We'll see. But thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys next week Sunday for another video. Bye guys.